Hello buddies, welcome back to the another session. We will learn single flip and double flip straight catch. It is one of the most important and basic Flair move. It can take around 45 minutes to learn this move completely. We can make this move two variations, single flip straight catch and double flip straight catch. We can perform this move with bottle, tin, peg measure, muddler and anything. Equipment should be readily available. Make sure your hands and equipment should not be wet while using. Now I am going to show single flip and double flip. Feel the weight of the equipment and being friendly with it. Then practice with the equipment. Now I am showing how to do single flip. Single flip. Catch the shaker straight and flip around one and grab shaker same position like this. Make sure this move can be performed with both the hands. With left hand, what we done with right hand, same with left hand. Around one flip and grab. Grab straight. Now we are starting from here and I will catch shaker here only. Like this. Now I am showing double flip. What we done with single flip, just add a little more speed of double spin. Double spin, when you are releasing the shaker, just count the spins 1 and 2 like this. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Just count 1 and 2 and grab straight. Straight. This move can be practiced with both the hands. Same with left hand. Double flip. Flip around the 2, 1, 2 and catch straight. 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 From where we are starting and we need to catch there only, like this. Now I make you learn with the bottle. Feel the bottle weight and then go for practice. Practice single flip. Single flip around one and grab straight. We need to grab neck, this position straight and grab straight. Flip and grab. Flip and grab straight. Single flip. And then go for double flip. Just we need to apply more speed on bottle. Around double rotate and grab straight. Grab neck and double. Flip double. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now I am going to show with left hand. Left hand also same like right hand. First we need to grab it neck straight and flip around one and catch same direction like this. When you confident with single flip, then go for double flip like this. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Just count yourself how many flips it going and grab the bottle at second flip. Count 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 like this. With both the hands, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It will practice more than 10 times with both the hands. 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2 like this. Once done your practice with practice bottle, then go for glass bottle. Same what we done with practice bottle, just do confident with glass bottle. Single flip and double flip. Single flip and double flip. Practice with both the hands. Single flip and double flip. 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 We can perform the flip with muddler also, like this. From where we starting, we need to grab there only. Single flip and double flip. Just remind it, from where you starting, we need to grab there only.